addresses. So this addresses of Swami Vivekananda is not just to be memorized or studied in a book, but to make ourselves better, make our society better, to make our country better. That is why the great prayer goes. Please repeat. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve santu niramayah.
Sarve santu niramayah.
Sarve bhadrani pashyantu.
Sarve bhadrani pashyantu.
Ma kaschid dukkhamat bhavet.
Ma kaschid dukkhamat bhavet.
Sarvastaratu durgani.
Sarvastaratu durgani.
Sarvo bhadrani pashyatu.
Sarvo bhadrani pashyatu.
Sarvasad buddhimapnotu.
Sarvasya buddhimapnotu.
Sarvasarvatra nandatu.
Sarva sarvatra nandatu.
The ancient prayer which came from the meditation of the great sage, whose name and address we do not know, but he has left the spirit of our country. For the last 5,000 years we have been repeating this. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, may all be happy, may all be peaceful. Sarve sarvatra, may everyone everywhere. From the Himalayas to Kashmir, to Kanyakumari, and from Saurashtra to the northeast. Sarvastaratu durgani, free from difficulties, free from diseases. May all be enlightened, may all be peaceful, may all be healthy. So this we have forgotten down the line. That only I should be happy, others should suffer. So that kind of barrier Swami Vivekananda wanted to break. He wanted to make universal our life, purposeful, divine. And with that heavy heart we went to the west, starting May 31st, and Chicago September 11th has become history. But unfortunately what has happened is we have restricted only to the first lecture, and only he told sisters and brothers of America. Afterwards we have forgotten that he gave 6 lectures, 6 addresses in that 10 days, and many small lectures about India, about our culture, about music, about economy, about gold, about agriculture. So many ideas he gave to the West, which are all neglected. We just say Vivekananda said sisters and brothers of America, people clap. But why it happened, what it happened, we have to do some study. The time has come after 129 years and 125 years of the Ramakrishna mission. అందరు తెలుసుకోవాల్సిన విషయం ఇది, ధ్యానం చేసే విషయం ఇది, అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. ఊరికనే ఆ సిస్టర్స్ అన్నారు తర్వాత చప్పట్లు కొట్టారని మనం పొగడేస్తుంటాం, ఇది చేసేస్తుంటాం. దాని వెనకాల ఉన్న భావం ఏమిటి, దాని వెనకాల ఉన్న ఒక శక్తి ఏమిటి, ఆయన పవిత్రత ఏమిటి. ఆయన సోదర సన్యాశిష్యుడు ఒక నాయనకి అరే ఏమి అంత ప్రభావం చూపించావు, ఏమి శక్తి, అది ఏమి యోగ బలం చూపించావంటే, స్వామీజీ అన్నారు, లాస్ట్ 14 years I did not allow one bad thought to come into my dream, even by mistake అన్నారు. ఆ 14 సంవత్సరాలు ఆయన బ్రహ్మచర్యం ఆచరించి, పవిత్రత ఆచరించి, అది మాట్లాడింది చికాగో మహాసభలో. సోదరమణుల సిస్టర్స్ అండ్ బ్రదర్స్ అన్నారు. According to research, 4 or 5 people also addressed the audience as sisters and brothers, but nothing happened. So it is the life that matters. It is the character that matters, not the English sentences. So Swamiji gave his best. He was waiting for the time. Sri Ramakrishna's blessings were there, Bharatanata's blessings were there, and he carried the entire nation with him. Not just ordinary lecture. He was carrying the Vedas, the Upanishads, what is called the radiant Bharata, of the Upanishads, of the Bhagavad Gitas, of the Smritis, of the Puranas, of the Acharyas. Then he was carrying the resilient Bharata, Marathas, Rajputs, and the glory of India from what he saw firsthand for 4 years. And then he had a plan for resurgent Bharata. With these 3 R's in the mind. Resilient, the old, radiant India. Then the resilient India, which stopped the attack from the foreigners, which saved India from disaster. Then the time has come for resurgent Bharata. That he said will start from now. So just quickly read out few lines from that big lecture, because time is 3:30, and at this time Swamiji spoke 129 years ago. Response was welcome, and that was at 3:30. Morning he was asked to speak, nervous, did not understand what he has to speak, he did not prepare any lecture. But then Mother India spoke to her, delivered some Vivekananda. Sisters and brothers of America, it fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise in response to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us. I thank you in the name of the most ancient order of monks in the world. I thank you in the name of the mother of religions, and I thank you in the name of the millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and sects. My thanks also to some of the speakers on this platform who, referring to the delegates from the Orient, have told you that these men from far off nations may well claim the honor of bearing to different lands the idea of toleration. I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world both tolerance and universal acceptance. We believe not only in universal toleration, but we accept all religions as true. I am proud to belong to a nation which has sheltered the persecuted and the refugees of all religions and all nations of the earth. I am proud to tell you that we have gathered in our bosom the purest remnant of the Israelites, who came to southern India and took refuge with us in the very year in which their holy temple was shattered to pieces by Roman tyranny. I am proud to belong to the religion which has sheltered and is still fostering the remnant of the grand Zoroastrian nation. I will quote to you, brethren, a few lines from a hymn which I remember to have repeated from my earliest boyhood, which is every day repeated by millions of human beings. As the different streams, having their sources in different places, all mingle their water in the sea, so, O Lord, the different paths which men take through different tendencies, vary as though they appear crooked or straight, all lead to thee. The present convention, which is one of the most august assemblies ever held, is in itself a vindication, a declaration to the world of wonderful doctrine preached in the Gita. Whosoever comes to me, in whatsoever form I reach him. All men are struggling through paths which in the end lead to me. Sectarianism, bigotry, and its horrible descent and fanaticism have long possessed this beautiful earth. They have filled the earth with violence, drenched it often and often with human blood, destroyed civilization, and sent whole nations to despair. Had it not been for these horrible demons, human society would be far more advanced than it is now. But their time is come, and I fervently hope that the bell that tolled this morning in honor of this convention may be the death knell of all fanaticism, of all persecutions with the sword or with the pen, and of all uncharitable feelings with the persons wending their way to the same goal. So, here ends that lecture.